Hi, I'm Natalie Taylor with Histolab USA, and in this video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite Histolab products to use to give yourself a facial at home during quarantine. First, make sure to get your hair away from your face as much as possible, and professionals do this all the time with their clients. And since Histolab is a professional skincare line, I'm trying to make this as professional as I can with what I have from home. And if you have one of those cloth headbands, go ahead and put that on for extra authenticity. Step 1 is to cleanse your face, and for that I'm using the Water Max Foam Cleanser from Histolab. I love the Water Max Foam Cleanser for my dry skin, and I don't know about anybody else, but don't you hate it when you get that dry, tight feeling after washing your face? This cleanser not only does a great job of removing makeup and dirt, but my skin actually feels moisturized and those dry patches on my face are going away. Step 2 is to deep cleanse, and I'm using the Soft Deep Cleansing Enzyme Powder Wash from Histolab. This was the first product I ever tried from Histolab, and it still remains a favorite of mine today. I personally love to use a deep cleanser about once a week, and one of the best parts of this exfoliator is that it doesn't contain anything that can tear your skin, like walnut shells that are common in exfoliators. And who wants that? I mean, you only get one face, so let's take care of it. Step 3 is to steam your face. If you have a face steamer, use that. But I don't, so I'm going old school and boiling a pot of water. Once your water is boiling, grab a towel and a chair because you'll be there for a while. Step 4 is to tone your face, and I'm using the Beta Fresh Toner from Histolab. Now, thanks to the steam, your pores are now open and it's the perfect time to remove any remaining gunk. Also, doing this step will help your skin absorb your skincare. Step 5 is to apply a face mask, and for this I'm using the Peppermint Cool Modeling Mask from Histolab. Histolab's modeling masks are easy to use. All you need is a mask, a bowl, a spatula, and purified water. To make any of the modeling masks from Histolab, just mix 1.5 parts powder and 1 part water. And mix until there are no clumps, and it should look something like this. Wait 15 to 30 minutes, and the modeling mask should just come off in one piece. For any remaining parts, just remove with toner. Step 6 is to apply your serums and ampules, since you're supposed to layer from your lightest to heaviest skincare products. And for this step, I'm using the Vita C Complex Ampule from Histolab. This is another one of my favorite products because it's light and absorbs quickly and also hydrates my skin, and I feel it gives me a nice natural glow after. This ampule is also pretty concentrated and contains 47% Vita C complex. Step 7 is to apply your eye cream. For this step, I'm using the Premium Eye Care from Histolab. This eye cream is enriched with plant-derived extracts like tomato, which helps with brightening your under eyes and helps keep your eye area firm. Finally, step 8 is to apply your moisturizer. For this step, I'm using the Premium Timeless Cream from Histolab. This cream, along with the Premium Eye Cream, are both from the Age Science line at Histolab. And yep, you guessed it, it's for aging skin. It's recommended for 30 and up, but hey, it's never too late to start, which is why you see me working the cream in an upward motion. And I love this cream for both morning and night. And I'm done. Hope you enjoyed.